Right, well, I've just received my delivery of my UltraPad. So let's have a look inside the box. Right, well, inside the box obviously we have the tablet itself. Which is here. Quite a nice size to hold. Then in the box additionally we have a charging cable, so that's micro USB to USB, some instructions, also looks like an extension cable actually, that's also micro USB, and that's that. So let's have a look at the tablet itself. It's just over 9mm deep and 192mm long. Okay, so let's have a little look around. This is actually a screen protector already on this, which is very nice. That's the volume rocker there, power, rear camera, HDMI, micro HDMI input or mini. That's the charge dock or data connector there, the micro USB. That's the headphone jack. You can put in a micro SD card in there, just slot that in to expand the memory. Got an Intel chip inside, and then the front as we look round it. Nothing too exciting to point out other than that there's it's like a front camera there. So let's find the power button and turn it on. This is booted up. Let's see if we can get this to change. There we go. So we have this PC and the recycle bin, a desktop, Cortana obviously, Edge, File Explorer, the store, and that is a little Android icon that I presume if I click will change over to Android. There's a battery icon there, speaker, that's your notification, keyboard, etc. So you should be very familiar with this if you have Windows 10. Let's see, here's the notifications section. Let's see how quick this works. Let's just tap the E. This will be dependent on how quick my broadband is as well. Okay, well, it seems fairly nippy. Seems nice and responsive within the browser. I'm rather pleased with it actually, seems to respond very well. Usual tiles here that we can customize. Apps that are on here, let's have a look. So all as standard. So we have a video player. These are all the apps that it comes with. Okay, so that's a read-only version of Excel. Okay, so we have on here 16.2 gig available. Obviously this is expandable. Okay, so it's basically all operation is exactly the same as you'd expect from using Windows 10 anyway. If you don't have a touchscreen laptop or a tablet already, then you perhaps are not as used to the Action Center here using it. Let's see if we can then change over to Android. So if I press this little Android icon here, okay, so let's boot to Android. Right, okay, so here we are in the Android version of the browser. So we have got some Chinese apps at the top here that would need to be deleted if you didn't want them. So we've got CC Cleaner, or sorry, Clean Master, which I use, so that's handy. That's already on here. That if I click that, that will actually boot to Windows. Nice big display again, nice large icons. Let's see what we have here. Usual stock Android fare, and we've got Android 4.4, which is KitKat. All the icons that pop up are nice and large. So obviously this will need to be customized to your own preferences. Got the Play Store on here, which is great. Browser, camera. So here's the camera. Okay, that actually doesn't look too bad. As with most Android phones and tablets, the focus tends to sometimes need a couple of goes. Quick as well. It's just... So we'll just go into the browser. We're just connected to the Wi-Fi. Go to Google. It all seems to work very nicely.
I kissed her and she kissed me, like the fella once said, ain't that a kick in the head? The room was completely black. I hugged her and she hugged back, like the sailor said, quote, ain't that a hole in the boat? My head keeps spinning, I go to sleep and keep grinning. If this is just a beginning, my life is gonna be.
It's a bit tinny, but it's only coming from that speaker.
Sunshine enough to spread. It's just like the fella said. Tell me quick, ain't love a kick in my head?
Very pleased with it. The only thing I will say is it does turn out that the battery life isn't so great. Had about 3.5, just under 4 hours of web surfing before I actually needed to charge it again. So that wasn't a great deal of time to have before needing to charge again. So that was the only issue with that. Other than that, incredibly pleased with it, and for the price, how nippy it is. Very impressed.